Hello, Dave here again. Did a little shorts video on little power chords, kind of like the Paul Kossoff idea from the song All Right Now by Free. And in this video I just wanted to expand a little bit on that. So this is going to be about variations of little two string power chords that you can do for interesting rhythm guitar playing. So if that sounds good, keep watching, and don't forget please to subscribe, like and comment if you get anything out of this. It really helps me grow the channel. So let's get on with it. So basically the same chord, but in the second part of it he's kind of using this variation where he pulls basically the root note down half a step. And it's quite a nice little transition thing. So if we go further up here we can do it in D. It's quite nice to do things like this. So quite a nice little thing to play around with, and obviously because on the E, A and D strings, as our root notes, we can use those same patterns across all those strings. So we can do them lower on the E string root note, so 2 strings down on the next, on the A string. Or across using the D string and the G string. So nice little pattern to play around with outside of the use that was made of it in All Right Now. Another variation using the same pattern but moving the fret on the second string, which isn't the root note, gives you a nice little kind of vibe as well. I find quite useful. Similar, but it's got a slightly more, I suppose, slightly more discordant feel from it. I've got a little tune which it occurred to me while I was doing this that I could kind of bring both of those into. And mine, the idea I had just basically goes like this. So it's so we're really just using power chords on C, E flat and B flat. But I could, instead of doing, it's nice to do a little transition back to the C, so what I have been doing is, I could also do this. And again we can use the 3 different positions going across the neck with that same shape. So hopefully you found that useful, and jump in and start experimenting with these cool little chords. They really are a lot of fun, and you can do some really nice creative things with them. Just remember to do all the muting and so on as discussed. And as I said earlier, like and comment and subscribe to the channel if you've got anything from this. You might also want to have a look at some of the links in the description below there, because I have a course, a video course on Gumroad, which is all about guitar playing just past the beginner stage. So if you know a couple of chords and you want to move on from there into some bit more expanded rhythm and lead guitar playing, it might be ideal for you. So have a look at the links underneath here. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.